Well, the reason that we had that is that there really was a downturn in economic activity. You have to remember that it's not only because of this problem. Yung bagyo, yung nawala na working days na sa natin, sa ekonomiya natin because of climate change. And you have to also remember the situation, the global situation. We are not the only ones suffering the shocks that come from the new trade structure that has been imposed on the rest of the world. And so we are all adjusting to that. Kaya yung mga growth rate na lahat ng grupo all around the world is falling. But marami tayong measures na ginawa because the public spending now will be increased, and to make sure that by the end of the year that the levels of public spending are according to our original plan. So mababawi natin yung nawala sa third quarter.